Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Learn Planet. In our last video we have seen that how to put the value from multiple cell into single cell, or to merge a value of multiple cell into the single cell like we did. We have merged the value of first name, last name, name into the name, or then we have tried to merge first name, last name, city, zone and sales into a single cell, which we have did in our last video. Now we are going to see if we have to convert a value of single cell into multiple cell. Like if I want to divide these values, first name, last name, city, zone and sales, into different or separate cells, that is what we are going to do today. So for this, what I am going to do is just first I am going to hide the unwanted cells. And then as this cell is because of values of this cell is because the formula from the previous cell, so what I am going to do is I am just going to remove the formula. For that I am going to copy these values, just coming on the first cell, select a special and then select values. Now it be easier to do that because it doesn't contain any formula. Now to split this cell into different cells, we should consider one thing, that there should be similarity in the values. For example, if first name and second name consist of the space, there should be a space in every first and second name, and then the later value is comma, and it should be consistent. If first comma is before any space, then there should not be any space between comma and the name in any of the value down, and same goes for the next value. There should be consistency with respect to spaces and commas, because that is what we are going to consider while splitting this value into the multiple cells. First name itself consists of a space in that, so it's going to create a table. To make it similar like the other values within the column, we are going to remove space in the initial line and we'll make it manage afterwards. Now just select our values and then go into the data and select text to column, and then select text to column again. Here convert text to column wizard, step 1 of 3. Here I will choose this one, delimited characteristics such as delimited characters such as comma or tab or separate each field. Here I'll choose next and I'll uncheck the tab. I will check comma, and then I'll check space, then I'll click next and finish, and it's all done. Here you can see first name, last name, city, zone, sale. Now just to verify that, we are going to unhide the cells which we have previously hidden. For that I'm going to select the first column, then I'm going to right click on that and choose unhide. So previous columns get visible. You can see first name Muhammad Anwar, Lahore Central 12,000, Muhammad Anwar, Lahore Central and 12,000. These are the remaining values for the cells. Now if in case you want to make it more colorful like we have done before, we are just going to choose make it a bit smaller so that it got adjusted in our eyes. Yes. Select home, choose the color you want to give. I give the green to the first row. Then for the first name, any color could have been chosen. I prefer here blue. Last name, let's say peach. city, we give yellow color to the city. And for zones, let's change the color of the letters. And sales, let's change the color of the letters. So this was all for today. Thank you much for your time.